In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down. To access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock section. Now it's time to enter your screen lock. Tap on Face Unlock and tap on Setup Face Unlock here. Then hit Start. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions available on your screen. Then hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!